What's going on, Norgay? What's going on, Norgay? I don't know why I'm so hyped. I'm hyped mainly hold up. So I'm super hyped because today I'm getting the first time in my life I get to drive a right-hand drive car. Initially, this was supposed to be me just getting my car reviewed, and then somehow ended up just like, bro, you want to drive the car? I was like, hell yeah. It did happen earlier on today, and I didn't have an intro because I didn't expect to drive it, so here it is. But Norgay, if you guys like this kind of content, just let me know in the comments below if you want me to start doing these kind of, I guess, reviews. If you guys like this stuff, just let me know, and I mean, I'm more than happy to review other people's cars. All right, let's just get straight to it.
Grip it when I whip it. 2 cups on the way that I sip it. I'm with the shits, yeah, I'm with it. I'm the man, my nigga just admit it. Hey, turn me up, yeah, we really about to get it. Thinking that we equal, forget it. You tryna do it, I did it. Putting hoes over dough, I don't get it. You really must be kidding. I don't say these hoes, thought I told you I'm a villain. Feeling myself, that's how I'm feeling.
Now, I'm in CJ's car. I don't know why this happened, but it's happening.
Trading places.
I'm in a right-hand drive car. Ooh, Toyota. Toyota.
Let's go places.
Do I have to put a clutch down or
no? Woo! Press that button on the top right.
Top right? Oh, damn, look at the flex. What?
It has some options.
Yeah, right? I'm like, dude, look at this. Kind of nervous to drive right-hand drive. Look, holy crap. All right. So, oh, man. I hope I don't
There you
fall.
go.
All right.
You won't stop. It's just super, like, light. It's an easy clutch, though.
Dude, it just feels so weird to, like, be here. Oh, this is nice, bro. Yo, your car is so nice. You're over here like, oh, my car's still ghetto. No, man.
No, it's when you drive it, it's just it rattles, it makes noises. Once you get moving, you'll hear it.
Ooh,
yeah,
that sounds so nice. But it feels weird to be on this side, though.
It has a learning curve.
I'm even trying to like put my elbow down to chill because I'm used to like just relaxing, but it's just, this is different. You can actually see around
I know this car has visibility.
So why'd you buy this car out of every car?
Well, honestly, I just wanted something right-hand drive, and I was actually about to get an R32.
Oh, what?
I was like maybe this close to buying one. I was gonna pay like around 13. It was black, GTST. I was gonna get it. And then I was talking to my crew leader.
I'm sorry to cut you off. That sounds so freaking good, bro.
Oh, that's right, it's turbo.
One more. Oh my god.
You hear the rasp?
Yeah, but it sounds so good. But yeah, I'm sorry to cut you off.
No, you're good. I was talking to my crew leader, had this car at the time, that I was getting a right-hand drive car or whatever. Then he was thinking about selling this. So I talked to him, and long story short, I mean, got a good deal. It was what I wanted, because what I wanted was I wanted something right-hand drive, turbo, manual, LSD, rear-wheel drive. It fit everything.
Yeah, I'm like, dude, that's very, very
That's
specific.
why I was getting the Skyline. I wanted something turbo. I wanted something manual. I wanted a right-hand drive. And the Skyline was like, okay, well, that fits. And it's a Skyline. I mean, who doesn't want a Skyline?
Yeah, dude, the R32s are pretty sick. I'm more of a fan of the R34s and 3s, but
I want a 4. Nice. Endgame is a 4, but I mean, I was like, oh, bro, I'll have a Skyline.
Oh, that sounds so good.
I love it.
But honestly, like the learning curve to use your left hand is not that serious. Like,
no.
I see I am hugging the left side, but
it always happens that you just start veering that way. That's why whenever like you drive with me, I'm always all the way to the right side.
Yeah, like dude, I get this. It's just different.
It has no drone. This is the exact same exhaust I had on the Banana. No drone.
Really?
Yeah.
This is good. Where is that bend over there? I'm not gonna rip
turn
it
right.
like that. Okay. Oh,
turn right and take it up.
Oh, that's weird. Turn signal on the other.
Yeah. Wow, you actually didn't mess up. Everybody always goes straight for the wiper.
All right, now look, I would totally love to take the credit and say I didn't, but I did. Gang, so while editing the video, I found out that the file was corrupt, so I just lost all of the footage of the pool, the cop, all this stuff that went. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do for you guys, just for you guys, I'm gonna reenact what happened. What? Sick car, bro. Yeah, man, you should You should totally drive it and do a review of it. Okay, dude, here we go. Oh shit, it's the Popo. Run. Hey CJ, thanks for letting me drive your car, bro. Hey, no problem, Nor. Alright, man. Cool. Alright, we'll see you guys soon. Alright. More or less, that's how it went down. Sorry, back to the video. So we're finally not getting stalked anymore.
Yeah, bro, the cop literally just stopped there. We just, oh, thank you. Could use this.
The cop was literally just watching us to see what we're doing. Because I guess it does look kind of weird.
Look at the floor, bro. Just show him the floor.
Yeah, there's literally, this is.
So she probably thought we were one of them.
I mean, Felipe did fail right there, so I wouldn't doubt it.
I mean, I guess.
So beautiful.
What's up, Mikey?
Bro, if they hit me, I'm getting more money. Getting mods. This is mod money. You got some fat tips, bro.
Yeah, bro, the reason it sticks out so much is because I had that on the IS and I forgot that it's the same hangers, but the bumper is like 5 inches shorter, so it sticks out like a mile farther.
Dude, I want you to stun so motherfucking, so fucking hard. Thank you, bro. So Nor gang, thank you guys. Thank you. Big shout out to CJ. Let me get that light skin quality. Yeah! That's what we're doing. But all right, huge shout out to CJ for letting me drive. I'm trying to outro. Huge shout out to CJ. This is why we almost got pulled over. Big shout out to CJBuilt for letting me drive his car. It was a pretty sick experience. It's weird driving right-hand drive, but it was so cool. Like, that was awesome. And Nor gang, if you guys like stuff like this, I mean, I'm more than happy to review people's car, but I mean, I guess I don't know what's gonna top that, bro. Like, that was so fun. But Nor gang, if you guys liked the video, just make sure you go over to CJBuilt, hit his subscribe button. He's a huge homie, really helped me out. Make sure you like and subscribe to his review video of mine. I don't know when it's gonna come out, to be honest, but it's gonna be pretty tight. Thank you guys. The channel really has been growing really fast, and that's one thing I just wanted to take a moment to just say. Like, Nor gang is getting big, bro. Like, we're already on our way to 300 subs, and to me that's mind-blowing. It's cool. We're all Nor gang and we're all in it together. See you next video. My dick is hard.
I saw you wait.
I'm like, oh, where the hell's my phone? I found it. All right, guys. See you guys next video. Oh, crap.